In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make great Instagram Reels with Canva. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone looking to share eye-catching moments with your followers, Canva is a fantastic tool for designing vibrant, professional-looking Reels in just a few steps. Let's dive right in so you can elevate your Instagram presence. To get started, open Canva on your computer or mobile device. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which just takes a moment. Once you're in, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the home screen. Go ahead and type in Instagram Reel. Canva offers pre-sized templates for Reels, so this search will pull up all the best design options tailored for that vertical video format. Select a template that catches your eye. Or if you prefer a blank canvas, you can choose that too for a more customized approach. Now that you have your template or blank canvas, it's time to make it your own. Start by uploading your video clips or photos that you want to include in your reel. Simply hit the Uploads button on the left sidebar. Upload your files, then drag and drop them onto your canvas. Take a moment here to arrange your visuals in an order that tells your story or gets your point across clearly. Canva makes it easy to edit each clip. You can trim the length, crop the visuals, and adjust the timing so your content flows smoothly from start to finish. For a more dynamic reel, add in some animated text. Click the Text button, type in your message, and choose a font that matches your style. You can also animate the text to slide, fade, or pop as your reel plays. Don't forget about background music or sound effects. Click the Audio tab to browse through Canva's collection, or upload your own catchy tune to set the mood. Now, let's talk about visual effects and branding. Use Canva's elements such as stickers, icons, or overlays to really make your reel stand out. If you're building a brand, consider adding your logo. Just upload it and place it in a corner for a professional touch. Adjust all your elements until you're happy with the way everything looks and feels. Once your reel is complete, watch the preview to make sure everything's smooth. If something isn't lining up or the timing's a bit off, Canva's timeline at the bottom makes it easy to tweak any element. When you're satisfied, click on Download. Select the MP4 format and save it to your device. Finally, head over to Instagram and upload your reel. Add a catchy caption, relevant hashtags, and you're ready to share your creation with the world. And that's it. Making stunning Instagram Reels with Canva is quick, easy, and a lot of fun. Play around with the different templates and features to discover all the creative possibilities. Thanks for watching. Happy creating!